This has to be something म्हाका दिसता all the staff, doctors, all these things, our health sector has to be improvised. दुसरें जे आमी किडनी पेशंटाचे जे काणकोणच्या भागांत आशिल्ले जे बारीकशे सेकंड फ्लोराचे आशिल्ले आनी द रायझींग CKD cases, we highlighted about it. The Honorable Minister said that he would look into it. It's shocking to see that kidney patients have to go on the second floor for their dialysis. तिसरें आमी जो बारीकसो प्रश्न घातलेलो about the calling attention जे वायनाड जाल्लें. This is something that is very very important, because वायनाड जाते गोंय कित्याक जावपाक ना, because of the Western Ghats, all the damage that is happening to the bio hotspot, and the way a lot of developments are happening within Goa, landslides are happening. This is something I believe that is very very important, and the government needs to take concrete steps towards saving our गोंय हे बारीकशें जें उरलें आसा. पयलीं आमी बोवाळ मारलो की म्हाका टॅक्सीवाल्यान फोन मारलो की बाबा थिंगा आमकां जें मुखेलमंत्रीक सांगू हांग टोल आनी हारी करपा नाका, बोट घान दी मू, कित्याक बोट घान आमी पॅसेंजराक एक वदां दुसऱ्या वदां जे 1200 crore स्पेंड केला, दॅट 1200 crores somehow is basically they were trying. I was asked to raise it and we raised it. They had absolutely no explanation. तिसरें जे आमी डिमांड्साचे आज उलयल्ले with regards to power, the way errors have not been received, the way department is functioning, non-solar, non-conventional energy, इतले errors recover जावपाक जाय. कोणा आसतना बारीक जनतेचे जे spine, this government is up to basically break. तिसरें जी haphazardly जे bill हाडे with man was sent back, that industry minister has got, it's got a lot of consequence. दुसरें जे आज जे लँड बिल जे पळाला ऑफ पीपल हू आर नॉट प्रेझंट हियर, हूंय ना हूंय म्हाका दिसता ते हरिडली हाडपाक सोदताय, एंड देर इज नो प्रॉपर डिस्कशन ऑल्सो. सो डेफिनेटली इफ यू लुक, their agenda is one and they are coming with that agenda with a brute majority. They are just forcing it, although certain sections that had to be cleared, they are not in a position to clear.
Thank you.